Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name's Nicole. I do a bunch of like makeup videos and other stuff, but today I have a makeup tutorial, and I did this brownie look, like a very matte look, and I was inspired by someone I saw on Instagram. I think it was Rachel Crow, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not quite sure, I don't remember. I saw it a while ago and I was just like, I just need to do it today because I can't stop thinking about it and I just loved it so much. So I'm gonna insert the photo right now. And yeah, I've just been loving beiges and browns and just a matte look, so I decided to do this and create this for you guys, recreate it if I say so, if I say it correctly. But today I used the BPerfect Carnival palette, so I wanted to show you how you could use it for a more neutral matte brown side, even though this palette is very intimidating for a lot of people because it's just very colourful. So without further ado, let's go and get started.
Hi guys, welcome back. I've already done my face and my brows, so I'm getting ready to prep my lids with the P. Louise base. It's in the shade 0.5, very light, very nice to pack on the shades, and blending it out with the E27 brush, I think that's what I use. I'm gonna start out with the shade Intuition and pack it in with like a small, like dense pencil brush, and then go in with the shade Hall to, like, you know, get the shape right, get it from the beginning. And then using a fluffier brush, I grab the shade Basic and start blending everything out, blending it into my nose, and I just go back and forth between these shades to make sure that the shape is right and blended how I want. And then to deepen the shade right before I cut the crease off, I'm going to use the shade Lights Out, which is a black, and a really tiny shader brush. It's very thin. And then blend it out with the pencil brush again with the dark brown shade. Now, for today's cut crease, I'm using baby oil, and I got this tip from Chelsea. Like, if you know Makeup by Chelsea, I'll link her Instagram down below. I learned it from one of her masterclasses. She's absolutely amazing. The best tip I could have ever learned was this. It's so much easier. But yeah, I'm going in with a concealer brush. This brush is by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just cutting the crease, packing it on just to get real close in there, and then I'm going back with the Morphe brush to put the base back on. And then because I want a really pale color, I make sure that I don't get the color onto the actual lid, and I just blend that edge out and pack on the shade, the white shade from the palette, which is called Pillow Talk. And I use a dense shader brush. This is by Royal & Lang Nicolle brush. It's just a very thin, thick one. Anyway, grabbing an angled brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Hall and just kind of like stamp out the eyeliner. At first I wanted it quite clean, and then I'm like, nah, let's go for smoky. So then I go in with the brown, the dark brown, and this is the shade Intuition, and I just go back and forth between the two, and then I get really, really close to my lash line, and that's where I apply the black. I try not to go way too up. It's just at the very edge, you know, just to give that sultry, sexy vibe. You know, the cat eye. But anyway, like you see here, I wanted to smoke it out a lot more, so I'm just using a fluffier, like, it's still dense, but it's fluffier than, you know, an angled liner brush. So I just blend everything out like that, and I go back and forth between the shades until I get the desired look, like this, and then I pop it into the second eye. I wish it was just as easy to copy and paste things, but it's not. For the lower lash line, I go in with the black first, and a very thin liner brush. It's just flat. And then I go in with the brown and then the Hall shade to tie and marry everything together. Now, for the waterline, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Power Pencil. It's in the shade dark brown. It's waterproof. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. Very affordable. Lasts you ages. Absolutely love it. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply the Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara, which is my fave. I haven't found anything better than this. If you have, please let me know. I need my new mascara recommendations. For lashes, I'm applying them off camera, and it's the Kiss Luxe Extensions in the style Velvet. Everything will be linked in the description box. And for the lips, today I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. This is from the Coffee line, and it's in the shade Chai Genius or something. And then for this little trick that I found, this is by Jordan Lips. I learned it from her. And basically you just apply a little bit of concealer in the lips and make it a little bit more ombre. And for the gloss today, I'm going to be using the Zoeva Spread Your Wings gloss. It has just gold little flecks, which is the whole theme of today. And I want to tie everything together with the Inner Corner highlight that I used, which is actually Fair Play. And tie everything together. I set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is the holiday edition. It smells like rose. It's absolutely amazing. And that is it, you guys. I just threw on some jewelry, and yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!